Hello everyone, this is Mr. Rios one more time with another tutorial. In this occasion, we're going to see very briefly Microsoft PowerPoint 2013. Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 is very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint 2010, and if you are also using Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, you will find that you're quite familiar already with this version. Now, when you start Microsoft PowerPoint 2013, the first thing you will encounter is this view where you have different templates to start your slideshow. You may pick from any of the ones that you have over here. If you would like to search for different templates online, you can do it right here. Or if you would like to select from any of the other things they have over here, you may do this as well. For this presentation and tutorial, we're going to just click on Ion, and we're gonna select this color and then hit create. Your slideshow will start immediately with the title slide, and it will have the background and template you've selected. So let's pretend that I'm making a presentation about wildlife. So I'm gonna do wildlife here and type that there, and then here I'm gonna type by Mr. Rios. Alright. Now, one of the new things that and I find very interesting and also very useful for Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 is the way we can insert images. Regularly, when we go to insert right here, you will have the way to insert pictures from files or screenshots and other sources, but here we have a new tool that says online pictures. So we can click right there, and we will have a search engine that will allow us to look for images online without having to go and switch to an internet browser and then go look for images on Google. Here we just can type what we need, so we type wildlife and we press enter, and the Bing image search is gonna look for images for us. It's gonna give you a little reminder about copyright and licensing about images, and you select the image that fits your purposes here. So in this case, I'm gonna use this image because it's about wildlife, and this one kind of like shows different environments in wildlife, and I liked it. Okay, so there we go. We just clicked on an image. If you want to put a frame to the image, once you click on the image, you will have the picture tools and the format, and you could just go and go ahead and change the color, put it black and white, or do any of these other ones that you want. Or if you don't want to do that but you want to put a frame, then you may select any of the frames you have here. Alright, and do that depending on what you're doing. Alright, so let's just leave this one. This one is kind of like nice. Alright, now we want to move on to our next slide. So there are different ways you can add a new slide to your PowerPoint presentation. Either you just right click on this space down here and you click on new slide, and you will see your new slide. Let me press backspace here until I get rid of that new slide. Or you could just go to new slide right here at the top. It says new slide, and it shows again a new slide. Or you could also go to new slide and press right here and this part of the bottom, and you will have not only the new slide, but it will also give you an option for the layout, which is nice, and this is something that it also comes in the other versions, 2007 and 2010. So we click there. In this case, we're going to click on title and content because we want to write an introduction, and usually for introductions we have the title and content layouts. Now, if by any chance you selected the wrong layout, and when you click here, let's say you wanted to click on this one and you ended up clicking on this one, then you don't have to really delete the slide. What you could do is just to go to layout and then change the layout for the one that you really need. So for this occasion, you will notice that the one that you already have, it's highlighted, in this case in orange. So, and I'm gonna just click on title and content so that the layout is appropriate for an introduction. Alright, now I just type introduction, and let me just make up a very brief introduction here. It doesn't have to be really like a polished one, but I'm just gonna type like this presentation will be about the most amazing facts regarding animals and their interaction with nature. There will be clear examples that illustrate the food chain. Oop, I spelled it food chain, and other uh, situations that are common to wildlife, let's say. All right. Now, obviously, that's not probably like the best introduction. It's not gonna get any award or anything, but this is just an example. All right, and that's what we care for. So we're gonna just select the text, and if you want the text to be bigger, you could either just use the traditional numbers right here, the sizes right here, or you could just use these buttons right here, the ones that increase font size, just like in Microsoft Word, and it will increase. If the size goes way too big, then you can use the decrease font size, and then you decrease the font size as well. And there you go. And if you want to change the type of font, you may do so. You want to change the color, you may also do so as well, and it will just still work for you, just similar to previous PowerPoint versions or Microsoft Word if you're familiar with those software. Now we're going to add a new slide, and in this case I want a new slide with two content layout. And here let's say that we're going to do food chain. And in food chain I want to have an image for food chain. Here with this layout I have access to all the different tools, so I can insert a table, a chart, a smart art graphic, pictures from the computer, online pictures, and a video. We're going to insert video in the next slide. So for this one we're going to click again on online pictures. We're going to click there. We're going to type food chain, and we're going to search for good images. This seems to be a good image, so we're going to click here, click insert, and there we go. We got the image, and you may have for example the definition. Alright, and you type the definition for food chain there. We're not gonna worry about that definition right now. What we worry is that how you can have just text, and you can have it as bullets as well. It will automatically go as bullets. Alright, so that's how we can use this, and you can even have this box on this side and this image on the other side. It's up to you. Okay, now let's just add a new slide again, and for this particular occasion we're gonna have let's say plants, and we want to know a little bit more about plants. So here you're gonna have like plants contribute to the balance of nature by providing shelter, food, and other benefits to our planet, let's say. I don't know, something like that, whatever. So we want to insert a video about plants, so we want people to watch a video. So let's just first probably increase the size of this, because I really didn't write that much, and I don't want that text to be just this color, so I'm just gonna put all the color of the other text there. And we go to insert video, and whenever you see this little kind of like globe, is that you can access information or material from the web. So when you click there, you will be actually searching for a video online, so you don't have to go to YouTube to get it. Ben is going to search a video for you right there. So you type, for example in this case, plants, and I'm going to get a video about plants. And after we find that, obviously, like Depending on your internet connection, it will just do your search either fast or slow. In my occasion, unfortunately, sometimes I'm just confronting some problems with my internet connection, and it doesn't load pretty quick. So let me just close this and try it one more time. Let's put plant. Let's plant, and let's keep our fingers crossed. It's gonna just find videos about plants. I mean, it had done it before. I don't know why it's not gonna do it now, but that's pretty weird. Let's try a third time, and I'm sorry, I apologize for this. It's somehow not. Oops, I didn't spell this. It's supposed to be plants, 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 plants. There we go. Okay, we got videos. So we have this one, like Plants versus Zombies, and this is the killer plants, and this is feeding carnivore plants, and this is learnable plants, photosynthesis. So let's just select this one, which seems to be a very educational one, and we click insert, and we will have our video popping up very soon right here on this side, because this is the side where we chose for our video. Now when it loads, again, it all depends on your internet connection. It should be very fast, but if in case you're confronting problems as I am right now, you will see that it will show that little box right there. Now you click right there for your video. You can still put a frame on your video, and that's something nice that you can do now that probably we couldn't do before. And I would like it to look more like the TV type of thing, so probably I'll just choose this. Alright, and that's good. Alright, and it will play once you have your PowerPoint presentation. It will just play very nicely. Alright, and if you click here on like playback, you could just check the duration, and you can just make it start on click, but if you want, you can make it just start automatically. Alright, now let's just consider one final thing before we do anything, which is the transitions. When you're working on your PowerPoint, you also want your PowerPoint slides to move slightly, very nicely from one to the other. So we're going to work on transition effects, and we go to our first slide for that purpose. Right now, I think it's probably loading the video there. Okay, there we go. We're in our first slide. Now you go to transitions, and you can pick any transition here. So now let's say that I chose vortex. Well, here we have our presentation, our transition, sorry, and what we do here is to if we want, we can apply the same transition to all, and you notice that this is the only one that has actually a star. But if we click on apply to all, now all of them have a star, which means that all of them got the same transition effect. If I want every slide to have a separate, distinct transition effect, I just click on the slide and I select the different transition effect for the slide, and there we go. Then every slide is gonna have a different transition effect. Well, this is all for now, and I appreciate your attention. If you would like me to make a tutorial about anything in specific about either PowerPoint 2013 or Excel, Word, or any other thing, please let me know. Don't forget to write comments at the bottom, and I appreciate all messages and every kind word. Thank you very much for watching, and see you then in another tutorial.